In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a complete shutdown will be observed tomorrow to mark the 9th martyrdom anniversary of prominent son of soil, Muhammad Afzal Guru. Call for the strike has been given by the incarcerated All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, Mirwais Umar Farooq and Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front. The leaders have also called for a complete strike on Friday on the martyrdom anniversary of prominent liberation leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt. India had hanged Muhammad Afzal Guru on 9th February in 2013 and Muhammad Maqbool Butt on 11th February in 1984 in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail for their role in Kashmir freedom movement. Their bodies remain buried in the premises of the jail. APSC Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, in a message from Tihar jail, said both the martyrs infused a new spirit in the ongoing liberation movement by sacrificing their lives for freedom of their motherland. Senior APSC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, while glorifying the sacrifices of the martyred leaders, said that the Kashmiri people would keep their courage to pursue the vision and mission of the martyrs. APSC leaders Chaudhry Shaheen Iqbal, Hakeem Abdul Rashid, Shafiqur Rahman, Irshad Ahmad Malik, Ghulam Nabi War and Chaudhry Muzammil Advocate, in a joint statement, while eulogizing tribute to Shaheed Muhammad Afzal Guru, said that the hanging of Guru was ruthless murder of justice, but at the same time it served as a reinforcement to the point that there was no justice for Kashmiris in the Indian judicial system. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has stated that India's intransigence is the only roadblock in resolving the Kashmir dispute, which has been the bone of contention between the two countries. He remarked in an interview with CGT and China that while he believes issues should be handled through political discourse, India's radical nationalist government has made the progress difficult. The US-based Human Rights Watch South Asia Director Meenakshi Ganguly, in a statement in New York, said that Modi regime is silencing journalists for exposing abuses by its troops in Kashmir. She pointed out that New Delhi arrested prominent Kashmiri journalist and editor of the Srinagar-based media outlet The Kashmir Wala, Fahad Shah, on politically motivated charges as part of India's crackdown on the media and civil society groups in the territory. The international media watchdog Reporters Without Borders has called for immediate and unconditional release of Fahad Shah. The RSF spokesperson, in a statement in Paris, maintained that a journalist like Fahad, who is widely respected abroad for the quality of his reporting, cannot be thrown in prison simply for doing his job and covering a news story. She said this arrest is a disturbing sign and confirms that independent journalism is in the process of disappearing in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In continuation of anti-Muslim drive by the fascist Modi government in India, the official website of the globally renowned Islamic seminary Darul Uloom Deoband has been banned by the RSS-backed BJP government in Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, a video from India is making rounds on social media wherein a Muslim girl wearing hijab is surrounded and aggressively approached by a saffron scarf-clad mob while she is entering her college in the state of Karnataka. The visuals show the Hindu fanatics raising slogans Jai Shri Ram and the brave girl responding with the slogan Allahu Akbar. India constitutes one-third of world poor population. Kashmir Media Service in a report said that millions of people in India facing extreme poverty, cutting back on nutritious foods and instead mainly consuming subsidized grain sold by the government unveils the original picture of so-called shining India.